The hauls keep coming, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Variat Skunkworks from Canada. We have some customs for VanTastic and Road Warriors, so let's have a look at them. First up is the blue transit van. This is called Bug and Salt. Right alongside of him is the white van, and this is called Homeless. Both of those go into VanTastic. Up next is the 2008 Lancer Evo, the Naked Evo. One of my faves in this collection is the green light Serira pickup, the farm truck. She's a ripper. Right next to that is the silver 1970 Charger. That one's called Too Pretty. Alongside of that is the white shoebox, the Albino Rhino. And there's the yellow Lamborghini. I think that's called Bo's Nana. I hope I've got that correct. And the last one is a green Nerve Hammer. That's called Only Something. Let's line them up on the track and let them rip. Well, they all seem to roll pretty well on the track. Give them some traffic and there'll be a different story, I tell you. In particular, the vans. A big thank you to the Canadians, Variat Skunkworks, for sending in this excellent collection of custom diecast cars for VanTastic and Road Warriors. Until next time, we'll catch you later.